Ever felt trapped by your Mac, unable to easily share files with the outside world? Today, we're unlocking the simple yet crucial skill of transferring data from your Mac to a pendrive, also known as a USB drive, ensuring you can take your files anywhere. First, plug your pendrive into an available USB port on your Mac. Your pendrive should automatically appear on your desktop and in the Finder sidebar under Locations. If it doesn't appear, try a different USB port or check your disk utility to ensure it's recognized. Now, locate the files you want to transfer. Simply drag and drop them from any Finder window onto the pendrive's icon, whether it's documents, photos, or videos. This method works for almost any file type. Alternatively, you can copy and paste. Right-click on the file, select Copy, then open your pendrive, right-click in an empty space, and select Paste. Both methods achieve the same result. Once the transfer is complete, and this is very important, safely eject the pendrive. Drag the pendrive's icon to the trash icon in the dock, which will change to an eject icon, or right-click on the pendrive in the Finder and select Eject. Wait for the pendrive to disappear from your desktop before physically removing it. This prevents data corruption and ensures your files are safely stored. For large files, make sure your pendrive has enough storage space and a compatible USB specification, like USB 30 for faster transfer speeds. For broader compatibility across different operating systems, consider formatting your pendrive to exFAT using disk utility before you begin transferring files. Experiencing slow transfer speeds or recognition issues? Double-check your USB connections, update your Mac OS, or try a different pendrive. And remember, for more complex data transfers, consider cloud storage or network sharing as alternative options. Mastering this simple skill ensures your data remains accessible, secure, and ready to go wherever you do. Now go forth and conquer the digital world with your newly acquired data transfer superpowers. #MacTips #Data Transfer